Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Ford Ranger door handle. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a trim removal tool, and your brand new replacement door handle. Before you start, make sure your window is fully rolled up. For safety, always disconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery. This simple step helps prevent any accidental electrical issues during the repair process. Now, let's remove the interior door panel. Begin by carefully prying off the window switch panel using a trim removal tool to avoid scratches. You'll find 1 or 2 screws underneath. Remove those. Next, locate any other visible screws around the panel's perimeter, often near the armrest or door pull. After removing all screws, gently lift the panel upwards and away from the door, disconnecting any remaining electrical connectors for lights or speakers. With the door panel off, you can now access the handle mechanism. Carefully peel back the plastic moisture barrier, which is usually held by a sticky sealant, to reveal the inner workings. You'll see 2 or 3 bolts, typically 10mm or 11mm, holding the outer door handle in place. Remove these bolts. Then, carefully detach the linkage rods connected to the old handle. These rods control the latching and unlatching of your door. Now it's time to install your new door handle. First, connect the linkage rods to the new handle, ensuring they are securely clipped in place. Then, position the new handle and fasten the 2 or 3 mounting bolts tightly. Reattach the plastic moisture barrier, pressing it firmly to seal. Reconnect all electrical connectors for the window switch and any other components. Before fully reassembling the door panel, test the new handle's operation several times to ensure it works perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.